In this video, we are going to see how we can convert a sales order into a sales invoice. As you can see in this transaction, it says sold shirts to Mr. Samuel Burns. That means we have physically delivered the shirts or sold the shirts to Mr. Samuel Burns against their order number 27. So the total amount is 720,000. Let's actually refer to that order and see what that actual order was. That actual order was here, where we have received the sales order from Mr. Samuel Burns, and it was the same order as delivered. 1800 shirts were ordered, so we have delivered 1800 at the rate of 400. 400 is here, and the total amount was 720,000. So this is fully converted into a sales invoice, but we have noticed something else as well. We have also received the cash in advance earlier against this sales order. So 400,000 is already received. That means when we convert the sales order into a sales invoice, we have to take care of the order as well. We only have to invoice him the rest of the amount, that is 320,000 instead of 720,000. So let's see how we can deal with this complete scenario in SAP. So the treatment is very simple. All you have to do is just click on sales and choose the sales invoice or AR invoice. Choose the customer from here, press tab, and this is Mr. Samuel Burns. Let's choose it. If we scroll down, we have the option of copy from. We'll choose sales order. We need to copy everything from this sales order. Click on choose. It will show you the option that do you want to draw all data or you want to customize. So in this case, since we are fully converting the order into an invoice, we'll choose a draw all data. Click on finish. So the order is converted fully to sales invoice. As you can see, the dates, I'll keep it as it is. The finished goods item number is defined here. If you want to enable the item description as well, right click on any of the headings, go to the form settings, click on table format and enable the item description, click OK. And there we have it. Similarly, if we scroll down, we can see the total amount was 720,000, but against that, the total down payment of 400,000 is automatically attached into an invoice. So the pending balance is only 320,000. Also, if you want to see the order reference in this document, you can see it easily in the remarks here. Link to down payment based on sales order. Once all is done, you will hit enter, but you will notice something. Let me just add it. It says operation completed successfully, but in case you have different currency, it might show you the error. So in that case, you have to adjust the currencies of the relevant ledgers. But here we are using the US dollars, so that's why it is not showing any error. But if you are using some other currency, it might show you the error. In that case, all the associated ledgers with that currency needs to be adjusted. So let's go to the last records and let's extract some important reports. Since this is AR invoice after sales order, that means we have physically delivered the items. Now it affects the accounts as well. We'll just right click on this and click on journal entry. So here the usual entry when making the credit sale is receivable to sales. So receivable is this Samuel Burns and sales is 720,000. But you can see the sales is 720,000, but the receivable is only 320,000. Why? Because the customer advance was received earlier and that is being settled in debit. When the liability is reduced, it's debit. So 400,000 plus 320,000 makes the total of 720,000. So this entry is balanced. After that, it will also reduce the items from the finished goods stock and charge it as the cost of goods sold. Also, since it is linked to sales order and customer down payment invoice, we should be able to see a good scenario in the relationship map as well. So just right click on it and click on the relationship map. And as we can see, we have a great entries scenario here. Let me just swipe one document above so that we can clearly see the scenario. First of all, the first document was created as sales order. Against this, we have also received a down payment, and then we converted the sales order to AR invoice, but the down payment is also allocated to that invoice. So automatically, as soon as we converted the sales order and it allocated the down payment. It's already closed against the down payment. Only the red portion is the due balance. It's indicated in both. If you hover over it, it will show you how it is settled. It is settled against down payment, the green portion, and the red portion is the balance due. And against down payment, they have also mentioned separately that the down payment invoice was issued and then incoming payments was received. And finally, since the complete order is transferred to AR invoice, the status of the sales order is now closed. So that is how you can convert the sales order into a sales invoice with advances settlement. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.